Hello everyone and welcome back to this January 2020 bullet journal setup. Here I'm using a dark brown brush pen to write the title for this cover page, and it's going to be really simple, just the title and a bit of an underline after, and that's it. Next is my go-to monthly log that I'm always using, and here you can see that I wrote the title with my fine liner, and I'm using that same dark brown brush pen to make the beginning of my calendar grid. And here I'm using that same fine liner to write every single day of the week here. And then I'm deciding how many rows do I need here, because this is a slightly bigger notebook and I usually had an A5 always. This is B5 format, and I decided on 4 rows as a guideline, and here I'm writing every single day of January with that same fine liner, and that's it for this monthly log. Next 2 pages are my favorites almost. It's a habit check page and a brain dump. Habit check is not really a tracker per se, it's more like a guideline or a diary of some things that I want to track every single month. So here you can see I have a couple of categories that I'm going to track this January, which is like my friends and family, health, time, learning, and some of my personal things. And brain dump is just a total mess after every single month, so we'll see how it goes. Next 2 pages are my workout log, and I'm going to list. Workout log is just a workout diary, and I'm going to list is going to be something like a artist date, but without any commitment. We'll see. Next 2 pages are content plan for my personal social media and for my mom's store social media, which I'm going to write some ideas. And lastly, here is my weekly spread for the first week of January. Here I'm always using that same dark brown brush pen and that same fine liner for this whole setup. And here you can see that I'm writing what day it is of the week, because if I don't, it's going to be a total mess. That happened. So yeah, this is my January 2020 bullet journal setup. I hope you like this minimalistic approach, and if you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up. It really means a lot if you do. And if you like this type of videos, subscribe for more, because I'm going to keep making them. And yeah, I hope I will see you in my next video, which is going to be my Christmas card and holiday card designs. And I hope I will finish it tomorrow. So I hope I will see you there. Bye!